So this Bollywood celebrity had been popping up on my Instagram and TikTok all day because she dissolved her fillers, and this is how the swelling looked. Instead of questioning her doctor, she seems to be very comfortable and enjoying her swelling after her filler dissolver session. But the thing in question is that this swelling is not normal. But what I question is that why the doctor did not explain it to the patient transparently that she should not dissolve that sum of filler or all her fillers in one day, because it can cause a massive destruction on her face. The kind of swelling the celebrity has can be due to hyaluronidase reaction, which is really dangerous. And if you see such kind of swelling, please report to emergency or any dermatologist around you. It can be because you are sensitive to hyaluronidase, and it is not advisable to dissolve all the fillers in the same day at the same time. This can turn into an infection, and maybe the patient is allergic to hyaluronidase. Without any patch test, you cannot dissolve all the fillers at one point. Please know that if you're slow with your fillers, be it your first session when you're going to get it injected or when you're going to get it dissolved, it is advised to be slow. You don't have to inject a lot at once, and you don't have to get everything dissolved at once as well. Hyaluronidase is not a joke, and please do not normalize things like that. Everyone should be aware that when you are going for filler dissolving, please take a proper consultation with your doctors, and doctors should not advise their patients to do everything at once. Please teach them to be slow, gradual, and even if you do not like your filler, there's nothing like it cannot be reversed. It can be reversed, but you have to be really patient.